Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Sebastien and Thal Abergel. This is a game from French Team Championship, played in 2018. Sebastien hit white pieces and he started with e4. Thal Abergel played c5, the Sicilian Defence. Knight to f3, the standard move, d6, and now not d4. But bishop to b5, check. Knight to d7, c3 intending d4. Knight to f6, attacking the pawn on e4, and d4 must wait. Queen to e2, a6 asking bishop a question, bishop to a4. b5, bishop to c2, bishop to b7. a4, e6, d4. Bishop to e7, preparing to castle kingside. Knight from b to d2. C takes on d4, c takes on d4. Queen to c7, attacking the bishop on c2. Bishop to d3. Pawn takes pawn on a4. White to move. Sebastien castled kingside. What's wrong with rook takes on a4? If rook takes on a4, queen takes on c1, check. So, Sebastien castled kingside. Knight to b6, defending the pawn. b3, a takes on b3, knight takes on b3, black to move. d5 was played, and Sebastien played e5, forcing the defender of the black king to go to a less important square. Knight from f to d7, knight to a5, knight to c4, knight takes on b7, queen takes on b7. White to move. What would you do now? Sebastien played knight to g5, attacking the pawn on h7. Black to move. How should black continue? To play h6, kicking the knight back, or bishop takes knight on g5, helping white to develop his own dark squared bishop. What would you do? Thal Abergel played h6, attacking the knight. What is the best square for the knight? What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find knight to f3? Knight to f3 is nothing special, is it? The move played in the game is knight takes on f7. King takes knight. White to move. What would you do? Why did Sebastien sacrifice the knight? What is the follow-up? This is the follow-up. Queen to f3, check. King to e8. If king to g8, white would play the same move. I will not spoil it, you will see what the move is. King to e8. Again, what did Sebastien have in mind when he sacrificed the knight on f7? What is the follow-up? Please pause again and find the best move for white. The move is bishop takes on c4. Pawn on d5 is pinned. Queen to b4. If d takes on c4, queen takes queen. Back to our game. Queen to b4. White got his piece back and the attack continues. Queen to h5, check. King to f8. White to move. How would you continue now? Sebastien played bishop takes on d5. Black to move. Queen takes on d4 was played. If e takes on d5, then e6, attacking the knight and threatening checkmate. So we have a queen takes on d4, forking the bishop and the rook on a1. How would you continue now? Which piece to save? Sebastien played bishop takes on e6, threatening checkmate. Thal played knight takes on e5, saving the knight and defending f7 square. But this was not good enough. What would you do? Sebastien played rook to a5, attacking the defender of f7 square. If the knight moves, then queen to f7, checkmate. Black resigned. For the entertainment purpose, I will show you One possible continuation. Bishop to c5, blocking the rook, but then bishop to e3, attacking the queen and exiling the bishop on c5. Perhaps black can try g6. White to move, and white has more than one way to continue. Perhaps queen to e2 is possible, so is this move. Bishop takes on d4. After pawn takes queen on h5, rook takes bishop on c5. And how to save the knight? On e5, if the knight moves, bishop takes rook. Wow, what a brilliant game. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.